All right, let's turn to the next page. So at the very top, we're going to write a note. Remember, you may only use these exponent rules with like bases. So we're about to write a bunch of rules, but you can only use these rules with like bases. So let's write that note. You may only use these exponent rules with like, underline like, bases. Here, remember what a base is. Let me go back to the first page. The big 3 is the base. Okay. Like I said, I'm decorating as I go. The first rule is called power to a power. So, all right, in blue. Power to a power. So let's say we have the problem x squared in parentheses. X squared is the same thing as x to the second power, all raised to the power of 3. That is the same as x squared times the power of 3. Now 2 times 3 is 6, so this equals x to the 6th power. So when you have parentheses and a power inside and a power outside, you can multiply the two powers together. So let's write this little note. Draw an arrow here. We're going to multiply. Now, let's say that we have x squared times x cubed, which is the same as x to the 3rd power. Well, that's the same as x to the 2 plus 3 power. What's 2 plus 3? 5. So we have x to the 5th power. So when we multiply the bases, we add the exponents. Okay? Let's go to the other page. When dividing powers with like bases, treat the division bar like a giant subtraction sign. So let's write that down. When dividing powers with like bases, like bases, not vases, like bases, treat the division bar which is a vinculum, put that in parentheses, like a giant subtraction sign. So let's say we have x to the 9th power